Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to find your Monopoly Go ID. Well, your unique user ID is essential for identifying your Monopoly Go account and ensuring its security. So to find that, just need to tap on the hamburger menu right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then here, basically, if you tap on that, you'll find the gear icon, which is the settings at the bottom of these options. So once you tap on the settings, then you'll find this page. So basically, you'll find your user ID right here at the bottom of account deletion. So remember to keep your user ID private and secure. It's unique to you and may be requested if you ever need assistance with your account. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.